The old blueprints are no longer enough. The rapid technological advancements in Industry 4.0 demand that the rail industry push the envelope of innovation. And achieving this requires a new design. At Tech Mahindra, we are the architects of this new blueprint. With over 2 decades of dedicated rail industry experience, we're not just modernizing, we're re-engineering the fundamental operating model. Our approach is purposeful digital construction, validated by our global rail customers, which are freight rail operators, passenger rail operators, urban transit, and rail OEMs. Strength starts at the core, where we unite IT and OT to build an unbreakable foundation. From there, we power mission-critical systems like train control, service design, and blocking application. On this foundation, we add intelligence. We turn track and rolling stock into a network of data-generating assets. And with a strong partner ecosystem, we build a real-time digital twin of your infrastructure. This enables a paradigm shift from reactive repairs to predictive maintenance, optimizing asset availability and driving down maintenance of way costs. AltaVec. Our enterprise asset management and rail health monitoring systems deliver the prescriptive analytics required to optimize asset lifecycle value. With this intelligence in place, we redesign the flow of your entire value chain. Our dedicated Rail Academy ensures our 100+ domain experts speak your language. This allows us to deploy targeted AI agents to automate complex decision-making, optimizing everything from locomotive allocation and crew scheduling to intermodal throughput and dynamic pricing. At Tech Mahindra, we're making the next big leap by engineering the intelligent, autonomous, and sustainable railroad of the future.